Hello folks, today we're going to be looking at the 308RL by Heritage Glen. It's a Forest River product. One of the things I could tell you about this one, it has a lot of room. So one of the things you're going to like about it, this trailer, is that it has power stabilizers on the front and the rear. It also has a spot for a solar panel if you wanted to add an extra solar panel. It has lots of room in the front, on the underbelly. Also, has two awnings, one on the main body of the coach and one on the slide. This is a great trailer. It has three big slides on it. Let me show you a little bit about on the interior. Okay folks, and when you come right into the trailer to your left, you're going to see a booth dinette that will fold down into a bed. It also has two openings on the bottom, so if you could put bins in there, store a lot of stuff in there. And then if you keep coming around, you have two recliners with lights, and they recline back, very comfortable chairs. And then you have in the middle of the coach, you have a couch that is a trifold couch that could make into a bed for two big adults or a bunch of kids. You also have two end tables on the end with plug-ins and USB plug-ins. So if you had to set up a computer or anything like that, you can do that over there. Then on to the right of the trailer, you have a nice big size TV here with the DVD player that also has a Bluetooth system for playing your music. It also comes with the fireplace. Now the fireplace, the benefit to the fireplace is that you can use this fireplace just with electricity. So you plug it in and it will heat up the trailer, and you do not have to use your propane to warm up this section of the trailer. And then you come around, you got your nice kitchenette. You got your 3-burner stove with an oven. You have a microwave oven here, and then you have a two-way Dometic refrigerator, and then you have a nice big pantry to the right here. Then as you come around, you got this nice big island in the middle with a big barn sink right here. This trailer is equipped with two ACs. So you have an AC in the bedroom and you have an AC in the living room. They are both independent. So you have a really nice big shower. You could get a 6-foot plus guy in here, no problem. Then as you come around, you have the slide on the bedroom. So when the slide is out, you have plenty room for walking around and changing clothes. And then if you open up the wardrobe area, you have a spot for a washer and dryer if you wanted to have that installed, or it's just a lot of closet space and it goes all along the whole way of the trailer. Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. This is Anthony.Fuller. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 541-653-2818. This is a 308 Heritage Glen by Forest River. Thank you, and give us a call. Thanks.